everybody. Today I'm making alphabet soup. And I'm just opening the can. Be really careful opening the can. Put a blue elastic on it so you can hold it like this and open it also. And also be careful because these needles are, those spikes are really sharp. So ask your grown-up to open it, or if you're really big, you can do it yourself. And make sure you don't accidentally pull the elastic off, because it's really sharp. So now I'm going to dump it in. Some alphabet soup always gets stuck, so ask your mom and dad for a spoon, and then you can scrape it out. And then tap it off, and then put it on the spoon, and then put it where everything's dirty. And then you put a can of water in the alphabet soup. Now, with the alphabet soup, make sure to ask your parents to turn the stove on. It's really hot, cheap. So grab the spatula. Ask your mom and dad if this is enough butter, but I know how much butter to use because I make the video. Swipe it on. And then put the bread on. Use your finger if it's kind of not in the middle. And then put the cheese on. And then wait until it's all done on the side. Push it down. And then when the cheese is all done melted, you flip it over this cheese on to here. It's really hot, so ask your parents to cook it for you, but you can do the alphabet soup while it's boiling. You can just wait and watch your mac and cheese because it needs to melt. And if you wait too long, then the other bread the cheese will melt too much, and then you can't put the bread on. So let this one onto here. I can't do it. Ask the grown-up to do this because it's really hard, but I can do it. And pat this on there. It's done. Now we just wait until it's boiled and all ready to stick together. Now we just wait. Cut it in diagonals because when it's in triangles, it tastes better. Ask your parents to do this part because it needs to be straight by the diagonal because I know how to do it because I'm big and always make sure to use a butter knife. And now we cut it like this for triangles.
My papa don't like
Make sure
that.
Okay, Mom. And make sure not to flip it off your plate. What would I do if I flipped off my plate? I would just put it back on and eat it. So now let's give one to Maury. It's good. Please like and subscribe. Bye.